Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're showing you the backseat car organizer. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what it looks like. You got multiple different ones. So just like this. Now this would go around and strap on the back of your seat. And then you'd have all these different pockets. As you can see, this is a two-piece set. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, at least 9 pockets for different stuff. But I know you guys want to see it installed, so let's get installing. All right guys, so for me, we're putting it on in the back here. I want to put tools back here and different stuff in it. For most people, you're going to put it on your driver and passenger seat. But for me, I'm going to mount it right back here. That way I can put tools in the back and it's not taking up ground space. But for us, overall, I love it. It's going to work perfect. I just got to strap it in. But for you guys, you're going to be putting it on the back of your seats. So it's very simple. Just loosen the straps up and then retighten the straps and you're good to go.